Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalu. In today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning my guest bathroom. Everyone has been using it because my bathroom and the kids' bathroom have been having some problem. On the other hand, I'm glad I've been using it because I really wanted to give you guys a good review on how the contact paper is doing. At least this would give me the opportunity to give you guys a good review. Also, I have tons of questions in many of the things in this bathroom, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to tell you guys where everything came from. Please stick around till the end. But before we move further, let me show you guys these beautiful roses that were gifted to me by Rose Forever. They are so beautiful, you guys. I love the color, super pretty. They are natural, real roses that have been preserved. According to them, those roses supposed to last up to 1 year. They are super luxurious, you guys. Of course, you know I love the velvet bags with the gold written on it. Super luxurious. I was over the moon when they had reached out to me and asked me to feature one of their bouquet in one of my videos, you guys. Of course, I quickly said yes because I have been wanting to get some of these roses for a long time. They have so many beautiful colors, you guys. They have different sizes and shapes. I also love the roses in the crystal container. I am definitely gonna get them like that next time. Guys, they have a big sale going on, but you can get an extra $15 off if you use the code GLAMSTYLE15. I will leave the information in the description box. Back to the cleaning. I'm gonna put the work in the washer while I'm cleaning the rest of the bathroom.
No recordaba lo bueno que era estar a solas, sin que me juzguen, con mis amigas cantando rolas, que me aprecien, pero no tanto. Quiero estar sola, estar soltera, no disponible y siendo moda. Yo te quiero, pero déjame.
I love to do clean with me videos for you guys because I want to show you guys my house is not all glam and perfect all the time. Many of you ask me, how do I do it with the kids? Well, now you know it's not glam all the time, but the best thing to do is to have a schedule. But sometimes life gets hectic. I can't keep up with the schedule. Spending time with my family may become a priority over cleaning.
Que esa falda era muy fea, porque sus celos nunca dejaron que fuera bella. Me controlaba todas las noches, noches en vela, con sus peleas, con mi persona y la botella. Yo te quiero, pero
if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. We are all about creating beautiful, glam, and happy homes. Please take this moment to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to you, my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please follow me on Instagram at GlamStyleWithDalu.
estoy pa' amigas, ya cambié.
When cleaning, always remember to lift up the window to clean that area. There's always so much dust there, no matter how often it's being cleaned. This done power wash, you guys, gets everything so white. I love using it on the toilet and on the tub.
No recordaba lo bueno que era estar a solas, sin que me juzguen, con mis amigas cantando rolas, que me aprecien pero no tanto. Quiero estar sola, estar soltera, no disponible y siendo moda. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve, y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve, y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Solo quiero ser que esa falda era muy fea, porque sus celos nunca dejaron que fuera bella. Me controlaba todas las noches, noches en vela, con sus peleas, con mi persona y la botella. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve, y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas, eso se te ve, y si sigues pues...
I love using these wipes on anything that's stainless steel and brass. It leaves everything so shiny. I spray the Dunny Unstoppable on all fabrics and flowers for a fresh scent. I pour a bit of Fabuloso and leave it there to keep the brush smelling good. Because I added this new bouquet, I've decided to move things around. Okay, you guys, this is what the bathroom looks like after all of the hard cleaning that I have done. I'm so happy the bathroom has returned to its original state. I'm so excited. Nothing makes you feel better than a clean bathroom. So I'm quickly gonna go over everything. I'm gonna start with the contact paper. The contact paper is from Amazon and it is beautiful. As you can see, still holding up really nicely. It's been a little bit over a month since I installed it. It looks really nice. However, I would not recommend this DIY for a bathroom that's going to get used every single day. Like, this is lifting up a little bit. The glue is not holding up too good with the water, but otherwise it is super pretty, and it was less than $20. The faucets are from Amazon, super nice faucets. And the floors, they are from Hobby Lobby. Vase is from Home Goods. The soap and the lotion containers are from Amazon. I love the gold and the clear. I think it is super pretty. The candle is from Big Lots. Smells really good for $6. The tray is a DIY. The mirrors are from the dollar store. The mirrors are from TJ Maxx. The tray and the towels are from Home Goods. The things inside the tray on top of the toilet are from Home Goods. But the tray is from Amazon, 2 for $25. And over here, the bags that I have wipes in there, it is from Home Goods And the toilet paper holder, as you can see, it can hold up to 2. It is from Amazon. Spray Amazon. Garbage, Home Goods. Toilet cleaner, Amazon. Okay. And over here, the things are from Home Goods and Macy's Backstage. Glam ball is from Burlington. The little shelves are from Amazon. And you guys, once again, let's look at these beautiful flowers from Rose Forever. You guys, you see how pretty they are? They are just so pretty. I love them. Super cute. And the curtains, of course, they are from Home Goods. I know you guys are in love with them. They came in a pack of 4 for $25. The little tie back is from Hobby Lobby. It is not a tie back, but I just use it as a tie back. The shower curtains are from Burlington. The regular curtains and the curtain hooks are from Home Goods. But I will leave a link for similar curtains from Amazon. The wog is from Home Goods. The handles are from Amazon. The outlet covers are from Amazon as well. You guys love this wall art as well. It is from Home Goods. I think I paid $40 for it. The towels are from Burlington and the tie backs are from Amazon. Towel bar, Amazon as well. The light fixture is from Lowe's. And the table in the corner is from Macy's Backstage. I will leave the link for everything that I purchased from Amazon in the description box. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Big thank you to Rose Forever for donating this beautiful bouquet to me. Please go check them out. Use the code and the link in the description box to get your $15 off. The code is GlamStyle15. I thank you for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.